Hey guys, I'm gonna go take a little spin, and you can see I've got my my golf club strapped to the back. I'm gonna go hit some balls at the driving range. This is the DCT Honda 2021 DCT Gold Wing, and I'm just gonna go for a spin. First I have to go to the clubhouse and get a card from the clubhouse that says I can hit balls at this particular driving range, because our clubhouse is all flooded. Our clubhouse driving range, our golf course driving range is all flooded. So they let us, we get a free pass to hit balls at a public range, so that's cool. Anyhow, so I'm gonna go back roads to the golf course and get that card, and then go hit balls. So away we go. We've had a lot of rain here. This is San Diego. We've had a lot of rain here over the last few weeks. So we had a lot of flooding in areas, because the dirt here, the ground is so firm because it gets baked all year long, that you see these mountains. When it rains, the water just rushes off of them and can cause flash flooding areas, that kind of thing. But we need the rain. We were suffering a pretty severe drought. I haven't ridden in quite a while. A lot of it's the rainy weather, you know. But once I finally get back on the bike, I always say to myself, geez, what a pinhead, what have you been doing? You got to get back out there more often. It's just so much fun. I've got 5,900 miles on the bike at this point. I'm trying to remember how long I've had it now. It must be coming up on a year. It's really one of the few things in life that I purchased that I really can't jump on anything negative about it. It's really been worth every penny. It is a little pricier than most motorcycles, but in this Midas motorcycle genre, it's priced equal to the competitors, you know, and at least it's in the discussion, you know. It's not that much more expensive. Excuse me. But it's very comfortable, very easy to drive with the DCT transmission. You don't have to worry about shifting or clutching or anything like that. It's all automatic, and it does it very smoothly. And it's interesting the way it adjusts. If you really get on it, then it will shift faster, you know. One thing I always have to be careful of when the road gets wet here, it's so slippery because normally it doesn't rain that much, so it brings the oils out of the cement. So you have to be super careful whenever you stop, you know. But if you're considering buying a motorcycle, and this is the one you're considering, you got to get out and take it for a test drive. It's really nothing like anything I've ridden before. I haven't ridden in years before, you know, over 10 years before I rode this. So I don't know what I'm, you know, to compare it to other bikes. There might be other bikes out there, I'm sure. The BMW is super popular. But for me, because of the DCT transmission made a huge difference, and makes it so much easier to deal with for me, you know. I was really poor at shifting with my left ankle. I had a hard time upshifting all the time, and so I'd miss a gear and then get in trouble. Or you know, it would kick into neutral. When it's always when you know, you need to be in the gear the most that it kicks into neutral, and next thing you know, it's like, oh shit. So this design eliminated all those fumbles by my, you know, by my left ankle. I don't have to worry about it. Just really focus on, you know, enjoying the view and enjoying the motorcycle. And you can still bang through the gears pretty good manually if you want. house up here on the right has been here for as long as I can remember, and no one's done, I don't think anyone's lived there for 25, 30 years. It's the ultimate Halloween house. It looks so spooky. I can feel the ground is a little slick. Don't want to dump this puppy. Oh, there we go. All right, guys, thanks for coming along for the ride. And we'll be doing this again. Now it's going to be starting to get warmer, nice summertime, so we try to get out here more often. Take care, you all. Bye.